Hi, I am Rahul and today I am going to discuss the third chapter summary deep water. This chapter it is written by William O. Douglas and this is the autobiography he has written. And short extract I can say you the story which is taken from his autobiography of Men and Mountains. About William Douglas, I want to tell you something that he is related to USA and he was also the judge in court. Guys, this chapter that shows that how a child in his childhood got the fear from the water and that started to run, started to move, started to go on many years. And but finally, how did he overcome on that? How did he get the victory on that? How did he finish his fear of the water? So come to the summary. We started its discussion and explanation. So it is taken by, I have already told, the author's autobiography which is of Men and Mountain, and in this piece he tells about that his fear of water and how he conquered on the water. उनका जो एक डर था बचपन में ही वो डर उनके अंदर पैदा हो गया था और फिर उन्होंने उसके ऊपर विजय प्राप्त की. और एक जो विल पावर यहाँ पे शो किया गया है दैट देयर वाज द वेरी ग्रेट विल पावर इन दैट विलियम डगलस एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही कुड ओवरकम ऑन दैट फियर. As a child, when he was of 3-4 years old, that time one day he went on the beach in California with his father and he would get scared by the might of the huge waves. You know, when he went there, he found that in the sea, waves, long waves were going there and which swept him a little bit far away on the beach, which instilled a fear in his subconscious mind, जो कि उनके दिमाग में, उनके जहन में एक डर पैदा कर दिया. और यहाँ पे कुछ सालों बाद, we can say a few years later, in his eagerness to learn swimming, after few years he thought to learn swimming. He wanted to learn swimming, he wanted to go for swimming. Then he joined a swimming pool. वो एक swimming pool join करते हैं और where an incident further increased his terror. And when he went in the pool, there an incident regarding that water again happened. और जो उनको डर को और भी ज्यादा क्या कर देता है, बढ़ा देता है और भी इंक्रीज कर देता है. That incident increased the maximum fear again in the mind of William Douglas. Many years after that incident, he stayed away from water. उस इंसिडेंट के बाद वो तो ऐसा कि जैसे पानी से अपना एकदम नाता ही तोड़ चुके थे. There was no any relation with the water. He did not go for pool. Even he did not go for swimming. There was maximum fear. There was we can say terror of water. But I want to say you that he learned swimming with the help of an instructor who ensured that William knew swimming well enough to be able to swim in the huge lakes and waterfall also. Still, when he would swim, he feared from his childhood experiences embedded in his subconscious mind would grip him over and over again. लेकिन वही जो चीजें हुई थी उनके साथ, वही यादें, वही रिमेम्बरेंसेस, वही मेमोरीज which were happened in the childhood on the beach of California and in that pool, they all used to struck in the mind of William Douglas, and due to that he was always in fear of water. He wanted to conquer that fear. He wanted to overcome that fear. He wanted to get the victory on that fear. वो चाहते थे कि उसमें विजय प्राप्त करें, उस डर को जीतें, वहां से आगे बढ़ें. जो डर बार बार that used to come in the mind of William Douglas and which used to stop him to go in the water for swimming. Here I want to say you that, guys, he faced that problem very sarcastically, thinking that as he knew how to swim, what harm could it do to him? He challenged his fear. उन्होंने छोड़ा नहीं. He did not live there. He did not quit there. But he challenged the fear in the face of it, and finally it would vanish. ऐसा क्या किया उन्होंने? What did he do to conquer the fear? Where he finally conquered over fear, he got victory over that fear. What did he do? So I can say you that it was a baseless fear instilled in his subconscious mind, and the experience was valuable for him. He had experienced terror and death. उस डर को ओवरकम करने के लिए he went to that place which was so deep, which was many of the people, they used to get fear to cross that area, and on that place he went and he completed his task. He we can say crossed that water pond. After that, the fear which left his mind. I can say you that after the incident which was there in the in his childhood on the beach of California, and I told you that he got the matter to go for swimming. You know, when he went in that pool, he got the fear because he was about to sink there in the water. When he dived in the water, he could not get the you find ki one boy who was moving here and there, he threw him that swimming pool. The name of that swimming pool of area, it was YMCA swimming pool. And that boy who was looking healthy, he threw him in that swimming pool. And later, when he went in the deep side of that pool, then he could not manage his body, and he started to sink there. And you know, it was also that incident which filled the terror in the mind of William Douglas. Lekin the most important thing I want to discuss with you guys, that after getting a lot of terror, after getting all such type of fear from that water, finally he conquered the fear by crossing that pond, by crossing that water resource where many of the people, they got fear to go and got fear to cross that. And he crossed that, और वो सिर्फ इसलिए क्रॉस किए ताकि उनका जो डर था पानी वाटर के रिगार्डिंग, वो उसको क्या करें, फिनिश कर सके, वो उसको रिमूव कर सके, उसको खत्म कर सके. And finally it happened so, and it was the victory over water of William Douglas. Now I want to discuss 1-2 important question here from exam point of view. So guys, first question I want to discuss with you. The question is, how does Douglas make clear to the reader the sense of panic that gripped him as he almost drowned? So William described the experience where he had a close brush with death of YMCA swimming pool. YMCA पूल में जब वो जाते हैं तो वहां पे क्या होता है, उनके साथ इंसिडेंट होता है और वहां पे भी वो ड्रॉन होते हैं. लेकिन द इमोशनल, मेंटल एंड फिजिकल स्ट्रगल, that remained his intelligence and had a plan to come to surface. And he tried it, but that did not work. But after a few trials to save his life. Another question I want to discuss. It is very important that how did Douglas overcome his fear of water? So William Douglas was not able to come out of his fear. He hired a swimming instructor. Once he had learned swimming, he wanted to check if he had overcome the fear as well. Then he would swim in lakes and found the fear to return in small phases, which was no longer scared as he knew that he could swim. Hence he overcome that fear. We can say he went to that place, he went to the deep place of water, and there he crossed that lake, and after that the fear itself removed him. Thank you.